In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly verify your identity on Kucoin in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the official Kucoin website. You can do this by typing in the address bar of your browser or clicking on a direct link you may already have saved. As you reach the landing page of Kucoin, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. It often helps to reduce any stress or confusion later. Now, look towards the top right of your screen and click on the Login button. This will lead you to the sign-in page. If you already have your credentials saved, logging in will be a breeze. But if you need to manually enter your email and password, take your time to ensure everything is correct to avoid any login errors. Once you successfully log in, you'll be redirected back to the Kucoin homepage. With access to your account, it's time to locate your profile. Generally, you'll find a small icon or your profile name, also in the top right area of the screen. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you're going to see an option labeled Profile, which you'll want to select next. This will guide you into your account details area. Upon reaching your profile section, look for anything that mentions identity verification or something similar. Clicking on this will lead you to the core of today's task. This stage usually includes multiple verification levels, but for most users, the individual verification is where you should begin. This level includes the necessary steps to confirm your identity and is essential for most trading activities on Kucoin. When you select individual verification, the platform will begin guiding you through a series of steps. Typically, you'll need to provide some basic personal information, things like your full name, date of birth, and citizenship. You will probably be asked to upload some form of government-issued identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure these documents are clear and legible to pass the verification without any hitches. Following the uploading of these documents, Kucoin will take it from there, processing your information. One tip to keep in mind is to have your documents ready before starting the process. This will save you time and ensure the procedure remains a quick and efficient one. Once all steps are completed, it's just a matter of waiting. Kucoin aims to verify your details swiftly, but depending on volume, it may take a short while. Once verified, you'll receive a notification, and you're all set to explore the full range of Kucoin's features. And that's all there is to it. Following these straightforward steps will ensure your identity verification on Kucoin is as seamless as possible. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.